important step. So what we do is we make a ball and we trap it, and that's gonna help this dough, help it form and make some, some structure, in this case pizza or bread. So flour it up, both sides, pick it up and just fold it in half. And I turn it 1/4, and I grab the left-hand side and the right-hand side. I press my fingers in lightly, and then I close it again. And I turn, and I follow the same sequence. Grab the sides, press in, and close. Lightly. Zen, right?
Yeah, you don't want to smash. You don't want to like feel the dough coming through like your fingertips, like squeezing like it's a stress ball.
Just one side's gonna be smooth like a baby's butt, right? As I do this, it's getting more and more taut each time, right? As it gets more taut, and I can close it off. I put the smooth side in my palm, and I can be aggressive here on this close. I can just really close this ball up. And you can see now, we have this beautiful ball. So now, everything is stuck inside of this piece of dough. All the natural gas is inside, right? And so now when it tries to proof, it's gonna expand. It's gonna be like trying to get out, right? All those gases, and it expands by ways of inside this ball. We have a little bit of olive oil, right, inside the deli. We put the seam side down, and these are ready, and we close it up. And if I'm gonna bake these off tonight, I will put them back in the fridge for a few hours, and maybe 3 or 4 hours before I bake, I will remove it and let it get back to room temperature.